Harmful food additives. High fructose corn syrup. Frequently found in soda, juice, candy, breakfast cereals, and snack foods. High fructose corn syrup is linked to weight gain, diabetes, and inflammation. Nitrates and nitrites. Commonly used in cured meats. Nitrates and nitrites have been linked to stomach cancer as well as esophagus cancer. Potassium bromate is added to flour that is used in baked goods. Potassium bromate is a possible human carcinogen causing cancer. PFAs. Polyfluoroalkyl substances. They are used in food packaging, known to leak into the actual food. PFAs increase risk of cancer and damage immune and reproductive systems. Heavy metals. Many baby foods contain heavy metals such as mercury, lead, cadmium, and arsenic. Heavy metals can cause problems with learning, behavior, and attention. BVO, brominated vegetable oil. Used to stabilize citrus flavors in sodas and fruity drinks. BVOs can cause neurological harm. Propylparaben. It is used in pastries and some tortillas. Propylparaben causes developmental and reproductive harm. Titanium dioxide. A color additive used mostly in candy. Titanium dioxide may harm DNA. TBHQ, tertiary butyl hydroquin. A preservative in Pop-Tarts and other processed foods. TBHQ can potentially harm the immune system. I hope you found this content helpful. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.